Hey Jim, this is our just quick shop update post Hurricane Helene. And if you didn't know, we are in northwestern South Carolina and it got hit pretty good. And Shannon's cousin, who lives right on a lake in North Carolina, got hit real hard. So let's take a quick look here. I'm gonna move this. I gotta put the wheel back on it, then I'm gonna jack it up and see if I can move it over because I need more space here. I'm gonna move this log because I have to be able to get up there. Look at this. Yeah, the little branches everywhere. Not so bad so far. Yeah. Oh. Well, this is supposed to be a road. This is a road that goes up to where my Jeep chassis is. This is a huge tree. Okay. Looks like there's about maybe 3 or 4 more down right up ahead of it. Oh boy. There's another road that is no more. Oi, lots of branches down across the road. Oh boy. Oh yeah. That's gonna take some time to clear. And there's no real, I mean, there used to be a path right around here, no problem. And it looks like all these branches here are broken off and just laying down here. Shannon and I and the truck spent some time yesterday gathering up all of these fallen branches. This is just part of the front yard and only the big ones. That is a big tree. That's a size 13. This is a big tree. And looks like a pretty small root ball. Crowded out by this other guy, but he broke off too. Well, it's mostly green stuff, but I got firewood. Look on the bright side. Isn't that from some Monty Python play? I guess another bright side is none of this stuff hit any of our buildings. So, yeah, Spam-A-Lot. Slipping branches. So all in all, Cousin Candy got hit real hard. Her bottom floor got, 4.5 feet of water, maybe more. And it's just, everything is, you know how that is, drywall. It's all got to come out. And we luckily had no trees hit our house. And the flood that went past out in our yard. And it didn't touch our house. Very nice to have. Upcoming, this is the jet ski. It's Cousin Candy's jet ski, and the thing is great. And it survived the hurricane in the lake. So, and then the whole recovery from the lake is quite an adventure. Anyway, so here it is. I'm pressure washing the cover out there and getting ready to cover it up once it's dry, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do here. Upcoming is going to be the last video, like 4 months ago, was finally figuring out the electrical problem with this beautiful E70 V8 X5. Well, I predicted in that video that once we started driving it, it would either develop the notorious alternator bracket oil leak or the notorious coolant transfer pipe leak, and bing, 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 I got the coolant transfer pipe leak. So I'm going to be doing that real soon and trying to do it like in 6 or 8 hours instead of 24 hours like 650. And then I'm going to do a clock repair video. There's some coolant transfer pipe parts. There's a sneak peek of the second floor. It's not done yet, but it will be soon. New workshop space, but of course it's already messy. So these are the clocks. This, I believe, is probably I don't know, 1980s, 1990s Asian made, meaning maybe Korea. I'm not sure, but that's what my guess is. Maybe it'll tell us when I take the plate off. I'm not doing that in this video. This is a German clock, Westminster Clock Company, which I believe is somewhere in the late 70s. And it's probably German made. We'll find out for sure. And it does have that Westminster musical chime. And then we're going to attempt to do something with this cool space age looking old world time clock where it lights up and it shows and I think it's a plastic thing on a roller inside. And anyway, none of it works, and I'm going to try to dig into that and see if I can at least make it light up or something. And then in this box, oh yeah, that is an original Kit Kat clock, the kind with the eyes that roll back and forth and the tail. But this is one that is from probably the 60s. Might be around there. I'm estimating. And it's not the kind that you put a battery in. It's the kind you plug into the wall. And it belongs to a very good friend. So there's some sentimental value. Hopefully I can get that thing working again as well. So those are the 4 clocks we'll be featuring soon. I don't know. Hey, come on. I built myself a new office. Thanks for watching.